Okay, good evening all. Right, let's start. Last day we just learned about our presentation software, which is PowerPoint. Right, by now, if there anyone who has not installed PowerPoint or any kind of presentation software, please let me know. Then I can help you installing this software into your computer. Anyone having trouble installing PowerPoint or anyone having trouble installing the software? So then I can help you today to install it. Otherwise, like you cannot do the practicals, no? Can you raise your hand if you have installed PowerPoint already in your computer and it is working? Okay, I can see 4, 5, 6, 7. Already 7 are there. 8. Okay. 8. Okay, 8 are there.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have the old one in PowerPoint.
That doesn't matter. Anyway, any kind of operating, like any kind of version is okay. Okay, how many of you don't have PowerPoint? Can you lower your hands now? And please raise your hand if you're not having PowerPoint, if you don't have PowerPoint. Please raise your hand if you don't have PowerPoint. Okay, please raise your hand if you don't have power, if you don't like get this software, if you're not having this, please raise your hand. That means all of you are having PowerPoint. හැමෝගාමම තියෙනවද PowerPoint? එහෙනම් lazy. හරි. මොකද මම මේ උදව් කරන්න යන්නේ install කරන්න. Yes, Mihin. PowerPoint නැති කවුරුත්ම නැද්ද? ඒ කියන්නේ හැමෝගාමම තියෙනවනේ.
PowerPoint is not working, sir.
Not working. Okay, Manu. Only Manu. Anyone else? හරි. එහෙනම් මම මනුක්ට උදව් කරලා ඉන්නේ. හරි. කාගේ හරි ළඟ PowerPoint නැත්නම් කියන්න ඊට කලින් මම I'll help Manuk and then so help the others. If you are not having, don't worry. බය වෙන්න එපා. ඔයාලා ළඟ නැත්නම් කියන්න software එක අපි install කරමු. So let's install it, right? That is why I'm telling. Okay, Manuk, I hope you can share, Manuk. So then I can help you. Before we begin, let's install PowerPoint and see, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you can help this. You can share the screen. This is for others also. If you can try this. The problem is, okay, what is the problem, Manu? Your one is, I think, that
after opening this, sometimes it says sorry, this has an error like that.
Let's install it. There is a free software, so like let's keep it as it is and let's install that free software also. Let's go to your web browser first.
Okay, sir.
Others can also do this. Others can also follow me. If මං කරන විදිහට කිව්ව කරා නම් install කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So search in Google, please search Open Office Impress. Open Office Impress කියලා search කරන්න. අනිත් අයත් කරමු. Go to Google, search Open Office Impress. Right, then Apache Open Office Impress. Please go to that link. Apache Open Office Impress. So we are going to install this one, right? Okay, just close it. එතකොට හැමෝම දැන් අපි යන්නේ free software එකක් දාගන්න. We are going to install a free software now. හරි? Free software එකක් තමයි දැන් install කරන්න යන්නේ. So you have to go to Google and search Apache Open Office Impress. Open Office Impress කියන එක තමයි අපි install කරන්න යන්නේ. Now please go to download menu. Download කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා නේද? Product, and then you can see there's something called download. ඒක තියෙන්නේ right එතන. ඉතින් උඩින්ම තියෙන දෙවෙනි එක product එකට පස්සේ download. Here. Then you can see Windows 32 exe and 4.0 version. Okay, download full version. Click on that. Download full version. Then you are getting the software. Let's wait until it downloads. Very small one. It's only around less than 100 megabytes, I guess. Should be less than 100 megabytes. Just wait.
Sir, do we need to click the download full installation?
Download.
Full installation
Yes,
like that.
download full installation. Yes. It's around 136 megabytes. Not that much, like that much heavy. It's only 136 minutes. Very lightweight. Okay, after downloading, you can start installing. You can double click and start installing. And it will ask you a message. This will do changes to your computer. Are you sure you want to install this app likewise? So you have to click OK or yes to that message. Otherwise, it won't allow you to install. That is the nature. No? After clicking yes, you will get this wizard. And then unpack. You have to unpack. Okay, after unpacking, after some time, it will load the setup. Setup
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is the setup. You have to click next now. Okay, next again. Typical, next again, and install. Okay, it's very quick process of installing, and you are done with this. Now you are done, I guess. Yes, copying the files. Anyone needs support, please tell me. Anyone needs support? Nilanjana, have you installed Nilanjana? Nilanjana installed Karada?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have
Sir,
already.
do we need to install?
No, not PowerPoint, Nilanjana. I need the OpenOffice Impress. Do you have OpenOffice Impress, Nilanjana?
No, sir.
That is what I am telling. You have to install OpenOffice Impress, not the PowerPoint. This is software, right? Okay, no need to fill the details. So no need. You just wait until it downloads, right? Download when I come.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, do we need to install that software?
Which one we do? Yes, you need to install Impress. That is what I am telling.
Sir, PowerPoint
It better come on. Impress install. Doesn't matter.
Sir, when I click the
Okay.
open,
It will ask a message saying, this will do changes to your computer. Are you trust all these things? You have to click yes to that message. Yes, okay to that message. That I cannot see because like it is for the security purpose, I will not see that message. That is why I am telling. Right? Okay.
so after
Then
that,
next after that. Unpack after that. Then it will automatically start the setup. Wait until it start the setup. Next, and install. Okay, let's wait until it installs. Finished. Now go to your desktop and you can see the icon. You can see the icon. Just double click on that icon. Okay. After that, click next. Give your name. And finish it. And it will ask now, it will ask what is the document that you wish to start. Here actually you can use this application software to start. Like this is Word document, this is similar to Word, this is similar to Excel, and this is similar to the PowerPoint software that we have. You can start PowerPoint presentation. That will start something similar to PowerPoint, and click next and create. Okay, you can see these are the slides. Here you can add the slides. If you want, you can add slides here, the slide preview. These are the slide layouts, different layouts of the different structures. And if you need to add animation, let's add 2 slides, please. So let's add another slide. How to add another slide? You can right click on this, right click and new slide. Okay, can you add the background color to these 2 slides? One slide, you can add the background color. You can go to slide design, design. Okay, then in here, okay, Lord, go to Lord, please, Lord. Presentation backgrounds. You can select some. Okay. Click OK again. Okay, that will apply the background. You can similar way, you can apply background color to the second one. Better some other background, right? Don't add the same. So better some other background. Add some other background. Okay, now you have 2 backgrounds. So how to add a transition? We learned last day. How to add a transition? You can go to click on the slide and then go to the slideshow menu. Slideshow menu. Slideshow menu. So please go to slideshow menu. There you can see transition. Slide transition. Slideshow karanne pa. Just escape. Escape ekda. Escape and show. Slideshow transition. Slide transition. Then select some transition. And see the animation. These are the transition. Transition will say how one slide is going to change. Metuki work my computer and I have the OpenOffice Impress isn't downloaded on the mobile device. Yes. Metuki, it's not downloaded to the mobile device. What you can do is if you are joining with your mobile device, so can you share the screen of your mobile device? I'll tell you what to do. Metuki. Can you share the mobile device screen? I'll tell what to do, Metuki. This is for the people or the students who are joining using mobile. Can you go to Play Store? Play Store. Okay. Search for Google Slides. Google Slides. Okay. There is an app. I think it is already there. You can update that. But update that, yeah, just update that. Then the new version will be downloaded. Okay, you can use that for Google Slides. You can use that software for doing this exercise, because in mobile phone you can do this using Google Slides. Let me show how it looks like today. I'll share my screen. Google Slides download කරාම මෙන්න මේ වගේ තමයි පේන්නේ. බලන්න. Google Slides download කරලා තියෙන කට්ටියට මේක බලන්න පුළුවන්. නැති අයට download කරගන්න පුළුවන් phone එකෙන් එනවා. එතකොට කොහොම වුණත් අපිට presentation කරන්න පුළුවන්. Either way. Google Slides වලින් හරි නැත්නම් Impress වලින් හරි PowerPoint වලින් හරි, right? Yes, Senate is using old version, that is okay, doesn't matter, you can use Senate. හරි අපි බලමු Google Slides වලින් කොහොමද මේක වෙන්නේ කියලා. This is how it happens using Google Slides. Hurry. Let me share the screen and then search for Google Slides or the slides. Here, this is the Google Slides. Then I'll rotate the screen. I'll rotate the screen and now you can see it shows me the slides. I want to take a new one. So please go to the plus mark in the which side? You can see the plus mark in the right hand side. Then it will create a new, it will ask to create a new presentation. Mean, okay, I'll get back to you. Let me show this first. Okay. Now you can see it has created a blank presentation. This has less features, but still you can do using your mobile phone. Then you can give a name to your presentation. Let's say grade 7. කොහොම හරි විදියක් තියෙනවා. කවදාවත් නෑ කියන්න බෑ කියන්න එපා. ඒක කරන්න විදියක් කොහේ හරි තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් ඒ විදිය හොයාගන්න එක තමයි අපි ගොඩාක් වෙලාවට අපි පුරුදු වෙලා ඉන්නවා පුතේ. As typical Sri Lankans, we are ready to say no to something. නේද? අපි හැම වෙලේම පුරුදු වෙලා ඉන්නවා මේක කරගන්න මට බැරි වුණා. මගේ එකේ මේක නෑ. මගේ එකේ එහෙම නැහැ. මගේ එකේ ඒක ඕපන් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මගේ එකේ ඒක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම අපි කියන්න පුරුදු වෙලා ඉන්නවා. අපි පොඩක් complaining nation එක. අපි හැම වෙලේම කියන්නේ නැති දේ ගැන. හැබැයි අපි ඒක කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන විදියක් හොයන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ හින්දා ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැම වෙලේම බලන්න. Just see the alternatives. What are the alternative ways that you can use to do this? So this is using your mobile phone. Even that can be used. නේද? මොකක්වත් නැත්තම් mobile එක හරි use කරන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් mobile එකේ new slide එකක් add කරන්න වෙන්නේ මෙතනින්. මෙතන යට තියෙන්නේ වම් මත පැත්තේ. You can see the left hand side bottom, you can add a new slide there. Then you can select a layout and add a slide. Okay, then the transitions and all, actually you can show the slide like this. Present in device, present in a meeting, that can be done. Maybe add in so let's say how can we add the designs and transitions. Okay, change theme is possible. I can add this, change theme, then I can add designs and transitions. You can see now it has added the designs and transitions. How? Change themes, right? Change theme, then I can select the theme from the given set of. Then it will be applied to my slides. Okay, slideshow can be played like this. Play eකට ගිහිල්ලා present in this device and we can see it showing the full screen slideshow. Okay, interesting. So there is a way of doing that. In mobile phone also you can create a slideshow. In mobile phone වල කියලා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ඒකෙත් slideshow එකක් හදන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් ඔය පෙන්නුවේ එහෙම කරන්නේ. දැන් ඔයාලා පුතේ ඔයාලා join වෙලා ඉන්නේ මොකකින් හරිනේ? Either you are using your mobile phone, either you are using your computer, either you are using your laptop or tablet. Now you cannot say no to this exercise, right? No, because otherwise I know what you are doing. ඔයාලා මොකක් හරි කියලා complain එකක් කරනවා. අද මම phone එකෙන් ඉන්නේ. ඒ හින්දා බෑ. අද මම අම්මගේ lap එකෙන් ඉන්නේ. ඒ හින්දා බෑ. මොකක් හරි එකක් කියනවනේ. I know that you nature of you, but the thing is don't be like that. එහෙම වෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ, right? You have a way of doing that, right? කොහොම හරි විදියක් තියෙනවා. Okay, who need help? Mihin. Okay, I'll help Mihin. උදව්වක් කියලා තියෙනවා. අපි බලමු Mihinට මොකක්ද ඕන උදව්ව කියලා. Mihin, yes, you can share the screen. So what is the help that you need? Yes, Mihin. මොකක්ද ඕන උදව්ව? When you have to download the full installation. You have to go and click on this download full installation. This one, download full installation. Yes. Isn't it downloading? Then it will go to this site. Okay, let's see whether it's downloaded. You have to wait patiently and it will be downloaded. If not, you have to click on the link appearing in the bottom. It's downloading. Download
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
with the download, it happens, right? Okay, anyone else need help?
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me from the beginning?
Yeah, sure. You have to share the screen. Just share the screen, then I'll. Okay, please go to Google. Then type Open Office Impress. Open Office or FFIC Office or FFICE. Then Impress. Yes, that one. Click on the first link. Yes. Then go to downloads. There you can select download full installation. Okay. Yeah, you're getting it. After that, just wait few seconds. Okay, now after downloading, you can open it. And there will be a message saying this will do changes to your computer. Are you sure? Something like that. So you have to click yes or okay to that message. That message actually we cannot see in the screen. For security reasons, it's not showing to me. You will get a message when you click or double click there, you will get a message. You have to click yes or okay to that. Should appear somewhere here. I mean, message there. Just click yes or okay to that. Okay, after that, the setup will start. Okay, now you can follow the basic steps. Now we can see the screen. Go to next. Unpack. After that, the setup appears. Then you have to follow the installation process and install it. Right. Okay. Now I'm happy that you all are doing well. You know how to install a software at least. That is something to be happy. So because earlier when you joined this class, you didn't know how to install a software, even most of you. And now most of you are okay with basic installation process. Don't click other things. Just wait until it loads. Isn't it loaded? So you can just minimize this. Just minimize and see whether it's loading. Seems not loaded. It's all right. Okay, here it's coming. Just wait. Okay, now we have to click next, 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 and install. Okay, done. That will install the software to your computer. After that, after installation process, there will be a shortcut in your desktop. Then double click on the shortcut. That will give you a screen. Click next in that screen and just give your name and create. That will create this application. Okay. I hope that part you can do alone, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Wait patiently until it installs. Okay. Anyone else need help or anyone else need support? You can let me know. Okay, what we have done is we did how to install OpenOffice Impress. That is a free software. එකයි අපි එක install කරේ එක free software එකක්. Right? OpenOffice Impress. එක free software එකක් හින්දා අපි ඒක install කරා. එතකොට වාසිය තමයි අපි ඒකට pay කරන්න ඕන නැහැ. We no need to pay that. And we can use it for free. No need to license even. ඒක expire වෙන්නෙත් නැහැ. ඉතින් ඒ හින්දා අපිට lazy. Okay? That is why we have installed that software. So the mobile phone තියෙන කට්ටියට මම කිව්වා I ask you to install, those who are using mobile phones, I ask you to install Google Slides. එතකොට mobile phone තියෙන අයට slides install කරාමත් ඒ වගේ no need to pay. That is also free and you can start creating presentations using Google Slides. So දෙකම okay. Okay, now what we are going to learn, actually we forgot to discuss some basics. So that is how can we add a new slide to a presentation? Okay, so just write as a question, write 5 ways to add a new slide to your presentation. Write 5 ways to add a new slide to your presentation. Okay, assume that your presentation is this. You are asked to add 5 slides, new slide. So let me erase these things here. Here to here, I'm going to erase. Delete. Okay, I need to add a new slide. Method number 1, right click, new slide. So you can right click, this is called thumbnail. මේ පැත්තක පේන මේ චූටි එකට කියන්නේ thumbnail එකක් කියලා. මේක තමයි අපේ slide එකේ main එක. මේක thumbnail එක. ඒතර thumbnail විතරක් බලා ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. That is using this slide sorter view. මේ යටම තියෙන දෙවනි view එක තියෙන්නේ. මම ඊතලයක් ගහලා පෙන්නන්න. පල්ලෙහින් තියෙන මෙන්න දෙවනි view එකෙන් thumbnails විතරක් බලන්න. Only the thumbnails. When you click there, you can see only the thumbnails. Thumbnails විතරයි. එතකොට මේකෙන් normal view එකේදී දෙකම පේනවා. thumbnail and the slide. එතකොට thumbnail එකේදී මේකේ slide sorter එකේදී මේවා විතරයි. The slide sorter view එකෙන් පුළුවන් අපිට කරන්න. We can go to the slide sorter view and do this, or you can just be in the normal view and do it. Anyway, you have to click on the thumbnail and new slide. That is method number 1. Then you have to go to the another method, insert tab. In the insert tab, you can see the new slide here. New slide. එතකොට මේ එක එක template තියෙනවා පුතේ. The templates, these are basically different themes of the templates. එතකොට මේ වගේ කියන්නේ මේ එක එක විදිහේ. Let's say title and slide add කරොත් you can see title, subtitle දෙකක් add කරන්න. So if you insert a new slide and the new slide is with this 2 content, you can see title, content 1, content 2. You can add anything, table, picture, movie, video, chart, draft to this. That is another. So this is blank, nothing is there, just empty, blank, no controllers. And maybe picture with caption. One side the picture, the other side is caption, title of the picture. Likewise, we can add. Let me undo, Control Z to undo to remove these slides. The second method is by going to the insert menu. Then you can add a slide. The third, you can go to home ribbon and add a new slide here. You have the new slide icon here also. The home make it new slide here. Right click karama new slide here. Insert get new slide here. And you can use the shortcut also. Shortcut is Control and M. Control M. Control M to add a new slide. That is the shortcut. එහෙමත් පුළුවන්. Another way is you can click on this thumbnail and press enter. නිකම්ම enter කරන්න. මෙතනට ගිහින් enter key එක ඔබන්න. Go to the slide, press enter key. එහෙමත් add වෙනවා. That is the 5th method. Okay, let's try these 5 methods now. Then අපි ලියා ගමු. Anytime if you need help, please tell me. ඕනම වෙලාවක උදව් ඕන නම් මට කියන්න ඕන. let's go to the writing note. Then let's write this. These are the 5 methods that you can use. You can write this. Actually, this part is not there in your note. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ note එකේ මේ කැලේ නැතුව ඇති. ඉතින් ලියා ගන්න වෙනවා. Insert new slide. Go to home ribbon, then new slide. Insert tab, new slide. Home tab, new slide. That is also okay. Control M and right click and add a new. Then click on the side thumbnail. Thumbnail is the small one. In left pane and press enter key. That will also add a new slide. So please write down these 5 methods. Right. Now we know how to open how to create a new slide. We have learned several methods of doing that. And the next thing is how can we duplicate or copy the slide. Question 2. Write down 3 ways of copying a slide. So the simplest way is you can go to the slide thumbnail, right click, duplicate. That will give you instant copy. Right click, duplicate will give you instant copy, quick copy. Right click and duplicate. Okay, method number 1. Right click on slide thumbnail in the left pane and select duplicate. Select duplicate. That is the easiest, fastest way. Duplicate. The second thing, right click on the and select copy. Then right click again and select paste. Then left click, left pane, left click on the left pane and Control+C, then Control+V. That you know. Control+C will copy, Control+V will paste. Control+C to copy, Control+V to. Okay, this is the first method. Right click, duplicate. Right click, copy, copy, then right click, paste. That will also give you a copy. Then you can go to home ribbon, copy, paste will also give you a copy. Control+C, Control+V will also give you a copy. Fourth method. Okay, the question number 3. Write down ways of deleting a slide. So similar to how you have copied, what you have to do is right click on the slide and select, right click on the slide and then select delete. Another way, left click on the slide and press delete button. Let's click on the left pane and press delete button. The third way, you have delete button here also. When you click on this, we can go to the edit menu and press delete slide. Okay, please write down that quickly. These are the ways of deleting the slides. And the next thing that we are going to learn is how can we move a file, right? Write down 3 ways of moving a slide, moving. So what you can do, the duplicating won't work here. Duplicating won't work because when you want to move means you are moving the original, right? Original right click, you can cut it, and then you have to go to the place that you need to move in between these slides and paste it. That will move that. So cut paste. That is the movement. Typical way of moving is cut and paste. No. Therefore, we can use right click and cut, then paste. That is typical way of moving. Or Control X for the cut command and Control V for the paste. Or you can click on the left pane, click on the home ribbon and click the cut button, then the paste button. The fourth way. Change the view to slide sorter and click then click sorter, then click and drag the slide to required place, required position. We can do this in left pane in normal view too. That is easy. So let me show it first. Then after that, I will give time to write. So go to the slide sorter view. Then you can click and drag like this. It's very easy. Click and drag to the place that you need. Click and drag. Click and drag. It will be. That is very easy. Or you can go to the normal view and just click and drag from there. There is also a possibility here. Yeah, click and drag. So that is similar to the cut and paste.
Sir, you are sharing the Word document.
Sure. Okay, I'm sorry. So let me show. Now you can you see?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see that? Okay. So here, this is the normal view. You can click and drag like this. Like this. Can you see? When you're clicking and dragging, it will be there. Another is go to the slide sorter view, then click and drag like this. It will help you move in the slides here and there. That is also a movement. That is simple. Okay, let's write down that and finish it. So now we can write down this part. This is question 4, right? So let's take this 4. Right. This important announcement is not just for you. If you have any friends joining our classes, so one thing is we are starting new batches for science and maths also. So the students who wish to join, that is only for the English medium. Right? This time we are not going to conduct any single medium classes, only for the English medium students. We are having science classes as well as maths classes. So that is open. Now registrations are open. So there is a combined fee. That means if you are coming for all classes, there is a special discount going on. If you are joining for all the classes. And another important message. So if new students are joining, the best time to join when we are discussing the last lesson, because the last lesson is very, very important. After discussing the last lesson, that we will be starting last lesson next week. So ask your friends to join if they wish to join. So ask them to join in next week, because that lesson is very important lesson to your life. That is internet and World Wide Web, very important lesson. And also after finishing that, we will be doing a revision. That is why I asked new students to join if they are interested, because with the revision, we will be covering, the revision is free for you. Actually, in the revision, we will be covering the things that you missed and you forgot in the initial lessons. Then you can prepare for the last term examination very well. Right. Targeting that, I'll be doing the revision.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is the date? The science class?
Which grade? Grade 8 science class is on Saturday, 8 1.
Grade 7?
That means like you are in, so we are starting new grade 8 1, right? That means for the 2023 students, grade 8. You are in grade 7 now, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. For them, actually, yes, that class is Saturday class, but the grade 7 revision class will be started again. So still we have not decided the day. Most probably Thursday. Most probably Thursday evening or Wednesday evening. But I'll be sending that, because grade 7 class is over now. Grade classes basically it is over now, and we are doing a revision. Revision means for those students who miss the lessons, we will do that from the beginning. First lesson itself, we will cover it. We will be covering the lessons, but very quickly within 2 months. It's a 2-month revision. එතකොට October November දෙකෙන් ඒ දෙක cover වෙනවා. December කොහොමත් නිවාඩුනේ. October November දෙකෙන් revision එක cover වෙනවා. Grade 7 එක. හරිද? It was a grade 8 එක. Grade 8 class will be started. That is anyway started in Saturday. The time is Saturday 7 to 8:30. 7 to 8:20. That is the time. Saturday evening, right? Saturday evening. Okay, the revision class, I'll tell. The revision class for grade 7, I'll tell. That will be Wednesday or Thursday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then goodbye. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you,
Goodbye,
sir.
sir.